Hello students, next we will discuss exercise 11.2. In this exercise we will learn how to construct the tangents to the given circle from a given point. First question of this exercise, draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangent to the circle. So first step is draw a circle of radius 6 cm. So, by measuring the length, open the compass with 6 cm. Then draw the circle. Here, so this is the required circle. This is your O point. So this is the circle of radius 6 cm. Make a radius. This is 6 cm. Point A. Now we have to take a point which is 10 meter away from the center, means to say you have to produce this line up to 4 cm. So this is the P point. OP is 10 cm. OP is 10 cm. Now from point P you have to make two tangents. Now the method is to make the tangent is, firstly you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this OP line. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector? Open the compass more than half and make the arc to both sides. Then similarly from point O, the arcs, the intersection, this is your perpendicular bisector. Now from this point you have to draw the circle. Suppose this is your M point. Open the compass of length OM and take M as a center. Draw a circle which should pass through point O and P, means to say O, M and PM are same because we have drawn the perpendicular bisector. So draw the circle. This is the required circle. Now the circle intersects the original circle at 2 points. These points are, name it as any Q, R. Then join PQ and PR. Here, so PQ and PQ are the required tangents. Then measure the length of PQ and PR. It should be equal because we know according to the theorem the length of tangents are equal from any external point to a given circle. Clear? So PQ and PR should be of same length. This is the method to construct the tangent from an external point. Next, second question we will discuss. Second question, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. So, firstly draw two circles. First is of radius 4 cm, then with same center of radius 6 cm. Firstly, measure 4 cm. 4 cm. This is 4 cm. Clear? So make a circle this is the required circle of radius 4 centimeter. This is the center. Now open the compass of length 6 centimeter. So by using the same center, make another circle. This is the second circle whose radius is 6 centimeter. Now from any point from the outer circle, suppose this is the point, or you can take any point. You can take the point here also. This is your P point. Now P is the external point and this is the internal circle. You have to draw the tangents from point P. So same procedure as we had followed in first question. Join OP. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Open the compass more than half. Then make the arc on both sides. So this is your perpendicular bisector. Which intersect at point, take it in point M. Then open the compass with length OM. Or you can draw the complete circle with radius OM, or you can mark from point M with length OM to the internal circle. Clear? Because we need only these 2 points. So this is the point, let it point A. So this is the another point which is B point. So this is PB and PA. Clear? Now again they said also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Actual calculation is firstly join OB. Firstly measure the length PA and PB with the scale. Now by the calculation join OB. This OB is 4 centimeter because this is the radius. This OP is 6 centimeter. Clear? Now we know radius is perpendicular to tangent. So this is 90 degree angle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you have to find PB. For PB, OP is hypotenuse. So OP square is equals to OB square plus PB square. OP is 6. OB is 4. PB we have to find. So PB is root 20. Root 20 is approximately 4.2 or 3. So this length should be near about 4. More than 4 but less than 5. Clear? So this is the actual measurement. By the calculation, this you can measure with the help of scale. So this is your second question. Next, third question is again same. You have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take the 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. Similar to this way as we had discussed in first question. So, for example, this will be the diameter. So, produce to the point P and to this point, this side with Q point of 7 centimeter. Diameter at the distance of 7 centimeter from center, draw the tangent. Similar way you have to draw the tangent from both the side. In this question, we had drawn the tangent from P point. Now in third question, you have to draw the tangent from the Q point, which is on this side of the circle. So this is the same question, you can try it. Next we will discuss question number 4th. Draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Now angle is given. This is the angle between the tangent. This angle should be 60 degree. Now let's discuss how to construct this. Firstly, draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Firstly, draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Draw any radius. This is the radius OA. Clear? Now we have to draw the two tangent to the circle which are inclined at 60 degree angle. If the angle between the tangent is 60 degree, then angle between the two radius at the center, these both are supplementary. 60 plus angle, for example here is any point B, AOB is 180 degree, both are supplementary. So central angle will be 120 degree. Clear? This is not the double of this. This is according to the supplementary condition. Both angles are supplementary. So firstly find the central angle. If this angle is 50 degree, then the central angle will be 130 degree. So according to the angle between tangent, our central angle will vary. This is 60, so this is 120. So at point O, so you have to draw the 60 degree angle. How to draw the 60 degree angle? So from point O, make an arc. Now cut it twice. First is 60, second is 120 degree. Clear? So this is 120 degree angle, which is B point. Now from A and B we have to draw the two tangents. Now we know radius is perpendicular to tangent. So at point A and B, draw two 90 degree angle from point A and from point B, 90 degree angles. Like this, you can make it with the help of your D or with your compass. Clear? So this is your P point. Now if you will measure this angle APB, it should be equals to 60 degree angle. If this angle is not 60 degree, it means to say there is some error in your question. This angle should be otherwise 60 degree. Clear? So this is the way how to construct the two tangents if inclined angle between the tangent is given. Clear? So this is your fourth question. Next question, fifth. Draw line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Then construct tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. So roughly I will tell you how to construct the fifth question. I will give you the rough idea so you can draw it. Firstly, you have to make a line segment of 8 cm. This is, for example, 8 cm. Then taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. From point A you have to draw the circle of 4 cm. Then from point B, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. So this will be the other circle from point B. Clear? You have to draw it with exact measurement by using the compass and scale. Then construct the tangent to the circle from the center of the other. Now you have to construct the tangent to this circle from point B and tangent to this circle from point A. This is the similar way of first question. Next we will discuss question number 6. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is 6 cm, BC is 8 cm and right angle at point B. Firstly, draw a right angle triangle ABC with the given parameters. Draw line segment BC of 8 cm. At point A, draw the 90-degree angle. You can draw it by using compass or by D. Now cut it 6 cm because AB is 6 cm. This is your A point. B angle is 90 degree. Now join AC. This is the required triangle ABC. So this is your first line. Firstly draw the right angle triangle. Next is BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangent from A to this circle. Firstly, we have to draw the circle B passing through point B, C and D. So B is this point, C this point. Any perpendicular to the line AC is D point. But we don't know the exactly D point. Firstly, we have to find a D point. So to find D point, firstly draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment BC. So it's the same method. Open the compass more than half. Then make the arcs on both sides. So this is your perpendicular bisector. Clear? Now open the compass with, let it point as OB and draw a circle. Yes, so this is the circle. Now they said you have to draw a circle which passes through B, C and suppose this is your D point on the line segment AC. Now BD is perpendicular. Why BD is perpendicular? You should know why BD is perpendicular. The reason is O is the center. If O is the center, then BC is diameter. D is the point on the semicircle. And the angle in the semicircle is always right angle. So, it means to say this angle is right angle. So, BD is the perpendicular. So, this is your second step. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Clear? Up to this point our question is finished. Next part is construct the tangents from A to this circle. This is the circle and this is the external point. So now you have to construct the tangent from this point to the circle. One tangent is already drawn, that is AB. Because AB is the tangent to this circle. Now we have to draw another tangent. So method is same. Firstly join OA. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of OA. Open the compass more than half. And then make the arcs on both sides. Here. So this is the perpendicular bisector of OA. This is the point. From this point, open it to the point A with length this, and then from point this make two arcs on this circle. First is intersect at point B because AB is the tangent. Second is on this side cut the circle. This is your another point. Let it point is as E. Then join AE. So this is your second tangent. Clear? So AB and AE are the two tangents to the given circle. Clear? So this is your sixth question. Next, seventh question. Draw a circle with the help of bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangent from this point to the circle. So with the bangle, firstly draw a circle. Firstly you have to find the center of the circle. How you will find the center of the circle? So this you know very well. In the earlier classes we had discussed how to find the center of the circle. What is the procedure? Firstly, with the bangle draw a circle. Firstly draw any circle with the help of bangle. Then you have to draw two chords. Any chords. One is here, one is here. These should be of equal length or unequal length, doesn't matter. Let it as AB and this is CD. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and CD. The perpendicular bisector of both the chords meet at a point in the circle which is your center. Draw the perpendicular bisector. Draw the perpendicular bisector which intersect at a point. This is your center of the circle. Now from the external point, take any external point. Let it be a P. Join OP. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP, and from this point you have to draw the tangent. This part you know very well how to construct the tangent from the external point. Clear? So this is your complete chapter 11th. Hope you all understand all the constructions. Thank you so much.